Right now, as you're watching this, someone is trying to get into an account that doesn't belong to them. It might be a bank account in London, a crypto wallet in Seoul, or maybe it's the Instagram account of someone exactly like you. But here's what should really keep you up at night. Hackers don't need supercomputers or coding genius. The most dangerous ones don't even look at code, they study you. They exploit the one glitch no software can fix: human psychology. Your digital life, DMs, photos, search history, linked cards, is a goldmine. To you, it's private. To them, it's a payday. Most hacks aren't dramatic. They start quietly, with a spark of curiosity or a moment of distraction. A text from Amazon, a Discord message from a trusted friend. Did you click it? That hesitation? That's where the battle is won or lost. This is social engineering. Firewalls and security software are strong, but hackers know you're tired, distracted, busy. They don't break doors, they get you to hand over the keys. Everything you post is a puzzle piece. That throwback Thursday car photo, a security question answer. Your dog, Buster, probably half your password. They build a complete profile on you before the first message even arrives. And this leads us to the big hook. This is where everything changes. Most people think they can spot a scam. They look for typos or weird email addresses. But the top-tier attackers, they don't make typos. They buy domains that look so close to the real thing your brain automatically fills in the gaps. You get an email, suspicious login detected on your account. Click here to secure it. Your heart rate spikes. You're in panic mode. When you're in panic mode, your logical brain shuts off. You click. You see a login screen that looks perfect. You enter your email. You enter your password. Nothing happens. The page just refreshes. You think, that was weird, and you go about your day. But in that 3-second window, you didn't secure your account. You just handed your life over to a stranger sitting in a basement 3 time zones away. By the time you realize what happened, when you're locked out of your own recovery email and your bank sends a notification about a transfer you didn't authorize, it's already too late. It's a sick feeling, that violation of privacy. It's not just about the money. It's the realization that someone has been through your private thoughts, your photos, your identity. But why does this keep working? If we know about phishing, why are the numbers going up every single year? It's because the new wave of hacking is using something much more sophisticated than a fake email. Have you heard of session hijacking? This is the scary part. You might have 2-factor authentication turned on. You think you're safe because you have that code on your phone, right? Wrong. Hackers are now using tools that act as a proxy. You go to their fake site, you enter your username and password, and they forward that information to the real site in real time. The real site sends you the 2FA code. You enter it into the fake site. The hacker takes that code, passes it to the real site, and logs in. But they don't just get into your account. They steal your session cookie. Essentially, they steal the digital ID card that tells the website you're already logged in. They can bypass your password and your 2FA for weeks without you ever knowing they're there. They are the silent passenger in your digital life, watching, waiting for the right moment to strike. So, if the tech is this good, and the psychology is this sharp, are we just sitting ducks? Is there actually a way to be safe? The answer is yes, but it requires you to change one fundamental habit. Most people treat their digital security like a chore. They use the same password for everything because it's easy. They ignore update notifications because they're annoying. If that's you, you aren't just making it easy for hackers, you're practically inviting them in. The chain reaction is what destroys lives. They get your Spotify password. It's the same as your Gmail. They get into your Gmail. They use the forgot password feature on your bank, your PayPal, and your crypto exchange. Within 10 minutes, your entire financial world is unraveled. But here's the resolution. Here is how you flip the script. Security isn't about being a tech genius. It's about building friction. Hackers are like water. They take the path of least resistance. If you make it even slightly difficult for them, they'll move on to someone else. First, get a password manager. Stop using your brain to store passwords. Your brain is a bad hard drive. Use something that generates 20-character strings of gibberish. If you don't know your own password, a hacker can't trick you into giving it away. Second, use hardware security keys. If you have a lot of money in crypto or a business account, stop relying on SMS codes. Those can be intercepted through SIM swapping. Use a physical key, a YubiKey, something you have to physically touch to log in. If the hacker doesn't have that physical piece of plastic in their hand, they can't get in. Period. Third, adopt a zero-trust mindset. If your mom DMs you asking for money, call her. If your boss emails you asking for a wire transfer, walk into their office. If a security alert pops up, never click the link in the email. Close the browser, type the website address in manually, and check your alerts there. The internet is a beautiful, incredible tool. It's given us the world, but we've forgotten that it's also a wild frontier. There are no police patrols in your DMs. There are no locks on your digital doors unless you put them there yourself. The fear you feel when you think about being hacked? That's not a bad thing. Use that fear. Let it motivate you to take the 10 minutes today to secure your accounts. Because the only thing more expensive than a password manager is the cost of losing everything you've built. You now know more than 90% of people about how these attacks actually work. You've seen the trap. Now, it's up to you not to step in it. If this video made you realize you've got some security holes to plug, do me a favor, hit that like button. It helps this message reach more people who might be at risk. And if you want more deep dives into the hidden side of technology and how to stay safe in this digital age, subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay skeptical. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next one.